Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today's video is very important because today I'm going to share the list of new cue cards. If you're planning to give your exam in between September to December, then definitely must prepare these cue cards. I'm sure that out of this list, definitely one question would be in your exam. So without wasting the time, let's have a look on list. Now I'm going to share those cue cards which are carry forward. These cue cards were also present during August to September list, but as you know that half of the list would continue, so definitely these cue cards may appear in your exam from September to December, and out of this there are many important cue cards. So let's have a look. These are the previous cue cards, old ones, but also included in the September to December list. I have made videos on some of the cue cards, and definitely in future I will surely make video on the rest of the cue card. Do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.